Welcome back. You're watching ACIERO in Amsterdam. Web design. So today I'm back again with web design. The 3 things you should think about before designing any website that you want to design. Because most of the time we think it's only about designing a website, but we first have to think about what does a website offer to us. What added value does a website add onto our business? So if you know exactly what added value your website offers to your business, then you would understand what to focus on while building your new website or improving on your existing website. So most of the time we feel that web design is everything and we need a new website and that's it, and we just need it to have lots of images and lots of this and lots of that. But let me tell you one thing about designing websites. One thing about designing websites, you should make sure that your website is user friendly and it offers a very friendly customer journey to the people, to its visitors. Because if your website is not user friendly and your customer journey is not smooth, then your visitors will be bouncing off and it will be getting a high bounce rate and it will not be recommended in Google if it's giving a lot of, it has a lot of bounce rate and people are not getting what they want on your website. So it will really go down in its ranking, if you don't think about that. Other thing is, not all websites convert. So think about what landing pages you're designing, how your landing page should be, your front page should do. And other thing is the speed, because most of the time people don't have time to wait for websites to load. So make sure that your website is not so heavy. Don't overload it with very heavy images. I know most of you want to show off your portfolio, want to show off everything and blah blah, but make sure that you're not overcrowding your website, because if it gets heavy, it will be very difficult for it to load very fast for your visitors to see whatever you want to show them or sell them or convert them, whatever you're doing. Thinking about designing a new website, think about user friendliness, and that's to do with mobile responsiveness. It has to be mobile responsive. The other thing, it has to be fast, speed. Think about speed. And the other thing is, think about the customer journey. What your clients are looking for. Are you giving it to them? Make content that converts. Make content that clients are looking for. So when people are coming to your website, make sure that what they're looking for is what they're getting. So do your keyword research. Make sure you're using the right keywords for your website so that when people are coming to your website, they're not just bouncing off and they're not just going anywhere else. So those are my 3 tips on building a converting website, or improving your website to convert your visitors into clients. And I hope you enjoyed. That was it. See you next week. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, because it helps us get new make new content, and also helps us grow our channel. So we appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing, and see you next week. Bye.